Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David. So I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video we are going to analyze about Bank Nifty, right? We will see why did Bank Nifty fell more than 800 points. Okay, it has closed with minus 750 points, but it even went more than minus 800 points, right? So in this video we will see why did Bank Nifty fell, and more importantly, could you capture this momentum? That is what very important. Okay, we as a trader, market may fall, market may rise, but the most important question is how much profits or how much momentum did we capture. That is what a very important part of our trading or of our analysis. Okay, even we can analyze, but to stick to that analysis is the most important part. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin in Bank Nifty. What happened today, we will see that, and we will analyze could we capture that momentum. Okay, for that we will go to 5 minutes chart, because mostly I use 5 minutes charts only, right? And um, and overall I didn't trade today, but at the end moment, okay, at the end moment at this level I took a trade and booked a good profit. So I will share about that, why did I took that trade, even though I don't prefer trading after 2 p.m. But today I did a small scalp, and I did book my profit. So we will talk about that. Okay, so overall, where did market open today? Today market opened gap down, and it made open equal to high, and then it fell. Okay, so but at this level I did a small scalp with my Astha. You would have already seen that, because it was a small scalp, but I exited it earlier. The point was, even I already knew that this is going to happen. Even though I didn't update it in my Telegram group, the reason was didn't I was not available. But if you check from yesterday's closing to today's closing, today's low was almost a 500 points negative. Okay, for minus 470, let's say round number 500 points. So when market is this is a simple logic, market may fall 1000 points also in the morning 5 to 10 minutes itself, but most probably market will not fall 500 points like this in few candles. Okay, it will fall, there is a selling pressure, but it will not fall in this quick momentum. Okay, because the point, the logic is, let's say market wants to travel almost 500 800 points today. Okay, let's say today's example, let's take today's example. Market wants to travel 800 points, so it just cannot travel that points in a single in few minutes, right? Then what will the price do the remaining times? So market will take time to give momentum. That is a point number one. So after this fall, I clearly knew that market may go upside, or second point I was expecting was there could be a sideways range and then a fall. That was my expectation today. So that is the reason why I shorted call option, right? And if you see, then from my booking level, okay, I booked my profit almost at this red candle, and from there market reversed, it broke day high, and then it made a new high. Now the point is, I wanted to show you a small breakout level. Okay, so if you are an intraday trader, okay, if you are intraday trader, even I could have traded this. Okay, today this is a very good setup at this breakout. This is a very good setup at this breakout. We buy call options. So at this point, what we usually do is, this is the time where we go long, because the setup is saying that there is a breakout and we can go long. So we either buy call options, or we either sell put options, or most probably we can buy a futures in Nifty Bank. Okay, but the point is, if there is a breakout, we entered at this level, there was an this is the first entry in bank nifty. But if you check this level, then there is a resistance. Okay, so if at all even we entered at this breakout, then this should be our profit booking area. And you can clearly see that from that level, which was previous closing level, from that level bank nifty fell. Now how to identify that that this is the resistance? Okay, if you haven't seen my video of support and resistance, then you can go and watch that video, you will understand. Okay, so to identify the resistance, you need to go left top. Okay, and then you need to check where is the previous swing, or from where market has fallen from upside. So that level will become your resistance. Okay, so if you check, then this is the previous swing, so this level is going to act as a resistance. Now another important thing is, even if you didn't book, if even if you didn't see this level, then there is no point on holding to our longs in the morning, because I totally believe that there would be a lot of people who would have booked loss in longs. Okay, because of this small retracement. We can clearly see that yesterday market had given a breakdown, right? Market had given a breakdown after a continuous consolidation. Yesterday bank nifty gave a breakdown. So very, this is the simplest logic, that breakdown level is going to act as a resistance, right? So the one thing that you should have done today, that we could have done today, is to look out for a selling opportunity in bank nifty. This was very clear, because you can see there is a resistance at this level, we can see there is a resistance at this level, and even market is weak as of now. So the very simplest thing is that we could wait for a selling setup for the day. uh, because I didn't trade it today, so I was not able to update it all with everyone. But when I was making a video, my last video, I showed this trend line. I don't know if you have watched that or not. That video was made in a live market. Okay, so here comes our first setup for selling, for going short in bank nifty. So what is this setup, right? First point is there is a resistance at the top. Second point is bank nifty breaking this trend line, intraday trend line. Okay, and third point, which is the most important one, is that this breakout level. Okay, bank nifty had given a breakout, and now bank nifty is breaking that breakout level lower side. That is the most important part. Okay, so here bank nifty broke the breakout level. So even if you had not entered at this level, then at this candle we should have definitely entered. Okay, even if you have not entered at this level, because even if I prefer entering at this level, because at this level my stop loss is a small stop loss, right? So even if you didn't enter at that level, then there is a fantastic setup at this level. Okay, so this is the perfect level that bank nifty fell, it went up, it fell, and also it is breaking all these levels. Okay, all these small candles are being taken off. So after that only bank nifty fell today. Okay, so in this video I wanted to just convey that nothing happens without a technical analysis. Okay, whenever there comes a fall, or whenever there comes an uptrend, if the price is moving uptrend, then there is some kind of indication that it has already given, but we are not knowledgeable enough to understand that indications. Okay, so that is the reason why I have come up with a stock market course, to learn all those things. If you go through my course, then you can learn all those things. I have covered a special video that how to understand the price, right? So this is how we understand the price. The understanding is very important. Okay, so a lot of people would have went long at somewhere around here, because they couldn't have captured this entry point. So they would have entered somewhere over here. At this point they would have been with a small profit because in options, so they would have waited for that, and overall they would have averaged it, and then overall booking loss. Okay, so don't do like that, don't trade like that, trade what you see. So here the setup clearly says that bank nifty wants to come down because there is a pressure, there is a pressure of resistance, there is a trend line breakdown. Second setup, third setup, bank nifty broke this intraday breakout level also. So after that only bank nifty fell more than 800 points intraday. Okay, so today I was not, I, because of few reasons I didn't trade it today, because of my schedule I had some other works also, right? So if you see, then at the end moment, after a huge fall, actually I was trying to enter at this point, but I couldn't enter because some, there was some problem. So at this point I wanted to enter, but I was not able to enter. But overall I waited for a retracement, and then once there was a small retracement at this point, I was using a small time frame. Okay, if you can see, there is a clear small time frame trend line breakdown, and then I entered at this point, at this candle, and my expectation now here, if you see, my stop loss is a small stop loss, right? Because this was a scalp, right? My stop loss was a small stop loss, and my target, if you check my target, my target was I mean my expectation was bank nifty will break today's low before closing. Okay, that was my expectation, and accordingly you can see bank nifty broke today's low. This was today's low. Bank nifty came below today's low, and after that it rallied. Okay, and you won't believe me, but I booked my profit exactly below this level, and then bank nifty rallied like a hell. Okay, so that this is a scalp trading method, scalping setup. So I am a scalper also, I do scalps also, lot of scalps, but overall the motive behind this video was to educate you that nothing in market happens without any indication. Okay, whenever price falls or whenever price goes up, so before that momentum it gives an indication on the chart, after that only it goes up. Okay, so overall I hope you understood why bank nifty fell more than 800 points today, right? So and also, if you are a learner of market, if you want to learn more about stock market, if you want to gain the right knowledge about understanding the price momentum, you want to learn a lot of stuffs in market, then you can definitely choose to go through my course video. Okay, I have made a more than 35 videos about market, and I have covered a lot of technical aspects because I am a technical trader. I see technical analysis, very simple methods. I don't trade with complicated methods. I use a simple trading method. So I have explained all those my trading methods, all those things that I see on chart, I have explained it over here, over in that course. Okay, so if you want to go through that course, if you want to learn through me, then you can definitely opt for that course, and I will be very glad to announce, we have already announced that I will be very glad that if you join that course, because trading in market is not that easy. You need to have a proper trading setup, or you need to have a proper trading knowledge before taking in before trading in market. So a lot of people ask me, sir, do I need a certain course, or do I don't need? But today my simple question is, did you made profit? But if you made loss today because it was a trending day, and in a trending day also, if you are someone who made a loss, then you definitely need a stock market course, right? So with that note, I close this video. I hope this video was useful to you all. So focus on technical analysis, because market follows technical analysis, market follows certain setups. So that is what we try to identify, that is what we try to see, whatever market is doing, right? So with that being said, I close this video. I hope this video was useful. So keep on learning, and one day I hope you will, I believe that you will become an independent and a successful stock trader, right? So guys, I close this video, and I hope this video was useful to you all. And until I come up with a new technical analysis video or new market analysis video, until then, take care and thank you for watching.